Hello everybody! So today I'm going to be opening up my Stickii Sticker Club collection, or not collection, my subscription. So Stickii Club is a sticker subscription. It's not just stickers, it's happiness overload. So Stickii Club offers, I believe, 3 different monthly subscriptions that have different themes to them. This is the cute themed, I believe. And what's really cool about them is they come in these plastic cases that you can add to a planner or a binder, which is really nice for organizing them. So it seems that this month's stickers are somewhat slumber party themed. Get excited for sticky storage. Use one of these stickers at the bottom right corner and use the other one however you wish. Clip the binder ring onto the insert to create a flippable sticky storage, or upgrade your collection by inserting it into any A5 6-hole binder. So they all come with these rings that you can use to attach them. So let's look down here. We have one large foam. Oh, these are notepads. That's so cute. So we have this little set of cake notepads. Very sweet. And then the flake stickers this month are cosmetic themed. So it looks like there's some perfume bottles, lipstick, nail polish. This looks so cute. They always include a pack of flake stickers. And then over here we have all of the other stickers for this month. So we start out with some nice nail polish. Oh, these, yes! I love putting cat stickers in my planner. Some super cute kitty stickers. Oh, which one's my favorite? Ooh, I think this one is my favorite. That is so cute. We got some nice holographic candy. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. Some more whimsical cats with some gold foil on them. That is so pretty. Some sweets with faces on them. I think I'm gonna use these at my work because I like using food stickers at my work. We have a little checklist that you could easily add in to a planner or notebook. Same with this one. That's just beautiful stationery. These are so sweet. And last, this is the set of stickers that was made exclusively for this month's slumber party theme. This is so cute. So I like to use these stickers when I send mail or in my planner. I really love making my planner just look super cute, and decorating with stickers is one of my favorite ways to do that. I've overall been very impressed with this subscription. This is my second package from them. Last month was adorable as well, and I've really used a lot of the stickers. This month's is obviously super cute as well. So the different packs they have available are the cute pack, the retro pack, and pop pack. So you can really get a pack that's based around sort of like your designs and your interests, and they are $10 a month with free US shipping. I just think that this is a very cool idea. If you're a fan of stickers, I highly recommend it. I do pay for these on my own because I just love stickers, and I would highly recommend this to anyone else who does love planners and stickers and having kind of monthly themes. So that is all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're interested, I will put a link in the description. I think you can still order this month's pack and it will ship out later in the month. So if you're curious, you can go ahead and give it a shot. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like or subscribe if you'd like to see more. As long as I keep being subscribed to this sticker pack, I'll just keep doing openings because I do think it is very cute. So we got the notepad, sticky notes, bunch of flake stickers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of stickers. We have the 2 checklist piece of stationery, and then we also have the nice storage system so you can keep them all together and you can kind of organize them by themes, which I think is super great. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.